Good morning. Yeah, hello. I'm in Tianjin, which is a lovely city quite close to Beijing. And yeah, basically just thought should probably make a video, should probably do something, upload something. So yeah, I'm heading towards a tourist scenic area. So let's see what that's like. I'm not looking at the camera again, I'm looking at myself. Let's see what's that. Let's see what that's like. So this is where we're gonna head. Wudada. It's the 5 great avenues, although I've been told there are actually 6. And it's basically the sort of central area of some of the former foreign concessions in Tianjin. Because yeah, basically a bunch of European countries, as well as the US and the Japanese, had these like random little bits of territory in Tianjin. And yeah, so they built some nice European looking buildings there. Yeah, like after I made the quarantine video, I was planning on doing a few more videos like about life in Beijing, which is where I'm actually living, and just some you know, general updatey things, maybe some interesting yeah, like food videos and things like that. But in the end I've been quite busy just doing, well, all sorts, mostly work. So yeah, I haven't really gotten around to it, but hopefully I can start to actually make something, and that might be interesting. This is the fanciest athletics track in the world. Surely. It's probably a bit early for that, really. It's only 9:30. I'm intrigued to find out what this is. So Lawson's a convenience store chain, and this seems to be the, I don't know, teddy bear wearing a Royal Guards hat edition. So, as far as I can tell, it's just a regular, oh sorry if it's backward, it's just a regular Lawson's, which is like, yeah, like a convenience store chain, only it's got a bunch of random British stuff in it. Okay. Yeah, they don't all look like this. Can't tell if it makes me feel more at home or not. Probably not. So yeah, sorry to report that Lawson teddy bear collection is, it's just a Lawson. Oh well. Can't tell if a disembodied horse's head on a bollard makes it feel more or less European. Don't really know. I might just be stupid, but this area is very small. It's not much, but oh well. I'm gonna keep having a wander around, see if there's anything interesting. I think the problem is, realistically, I should have seen this coming, but I'm here at like not even 10 o'clock in the morning. Mostly areas, restaurants and bars and stuff. In fact, there's a bar here called Alcoholic Shelter. Very nice. One thing to point out, and just to note if you do end up coming to Tianjin and visiting Wudada, it's actually the only place in the city where there are not English language street signs. So yeah, like obviously if you don't read you know, Chinese or have any sort of knowledge of the streets are actually all named after places, so generally they're quite, you know, recognizable characters. But yeah, so if you don't happen to know any Chinese, then that can be possibly a bit difficult. But yeah, something to note. This is genuinely lovely. It's very, very soothing, relaxing. It's very nice. Probably terrible for hay fever, but still. I think probably before I go back to Beijing, I should do what is compulsory in Tianjin, and that is apparently to get some Goubuli Baozi, which are some steamed buns, which literally Goubuli means the dog doesn't care, or the dog's not listening, and yeah, it's a sort of meat baozi, and there's no dog in it. The name is misleading. It's apparently because the guy who originally made them, his nickname was Dog, and he was so busy when he was making his steamed buns, because his stand was so popular, that he wasn't actually able to interact with his customers at all because he was too busy. So let's go and figure out some baozi. We've actually got a lovely little 3-kilometer walk to the train station, so let's just try and find some baozi on the way there. Speaking of, this is actually a Goubuli restaurant, but looks a bit fancy, doesn't it? Let's go to the next one. I assumed, quite wrongly it seems, that the Goubuli baozi would be pretty much everywhere. So I've now been walking along for about 25 minutes, and I haven't seen another shop selling them. So probably should have gone to the one in the 5 Avenue area and just sucked up the fact that they might be a little bit more expensive. But oh well, let's see if we find them somewhere else. Sorry if it's a bit shaky, by the way. It's some filming on my phone, as you can probably tell. The search for the Goubuli baozi is proving incredibly unfruitful. Unbelievable. I'm in the home of Goubuli baozi, and we're just no closer than we were before. Well, no, sorry, actually we're significantly further away than we were before, because we were immediately next to Goubuli baozi. But just have to keep looking, or we'll get bored and go back to Beijing. One of two. So just sitting next to the river now, and dreaming of some delicious steamed buns. But looks like we might be going home empty-handed. Nice day for a walk though. It's been nice. Don't know what this bloke's doing. Don't know if you need a mask, mate. Lovely. There are actually people swimming in the river here. I would probably immediately die if I jumped in. I'm not, it's not a jab at the water quality, I just can't swim. I'd be screwed. So we've reached the train station, and we're still by the riverside, and the quest for the Goubuli baozi has not yet reached its conclusion. It's very exciting, I know. We'll have a look in this area near the train station, see if we find something, and if not, well, what else can you do? Right, this might be a little bit better. This place, oh, here, Tianjin Techan Xiaochi. So it's a Tianjin speciality snacks. Oh yeah. And then it says, oh, I can't see, baozi. So yeah, let's have a look. Yeah, one of the things that if you can't read Chinese is quite helpful is that menus tend to have pictures. So you can see here we've got the Goubuli baozi. So it's this one, Goubuli baozi. And then I got the 猪肉包. So we got some steaming hot baozi. And yeah, I'm gonna have to try and awkwardly film myself eating them now. Never done this before. So apparently these should not be soupy, or not particularly soupy. So it shouldn't be too hard to just dip in the chili and vinegar and just stuff it in. But I'll be honest, it's not the best baozi I've ever had, but it's pretty tasty. It'll do. Yeah. So actually the meat's not very well seasoned. It's a bit plain. So I don't know if this is the place that I'm in or if that's just what Goubuli baozi tastes like. Let me know your experience if you've ever had them, because yeah, I mean it's fine. Does the job. So yeah, I pretty much just trashed them and then eaten the whole portion in about 5 minutes. So yeah, we've just spent quite a while walking around to get some average steamed buns, but yeah, it's been a nice little wander around Tianjin and a very nice sunny day. So let's head back to Beijing and probably the end of the vlog now, really, isn't it? What an ending. Anyway, I'll try to make some more of these things just so you can, yeah, see what I'm up to and have a look at what it's like here. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video and hopefully see you next time. Sooner than last time. Bye.